Describe these translations using column vectors. So when you're translating in part A, shape B to shape A, you are moving 1, 2, 3, 4. So plus 4 because you're moving to the right along the x-axis. Then you're going 1, 2 plus 2 along the y-axis because you're going up. So for A, the answer is going to be 4, 2, and you have to write it in this manner because this is how you represent the column vector or the components of a vector. Now, if you're going to tell me where is the vector that we're working with, this is the vector that you have translated alongside it. So this is the vector that you have used in order for you to translate B to A. But you cannot move alongside this vector diagonal wise. You can only move in the grid or in the coordinate plane either right or left alongside the x-axis, which represents the first component, and you can go up or down alongside the y-axis. So in order to reach this vertex, from this vertex to this vertex, you cannot go directly to it, which represents the vector. You should go from this vector alongside the x-axis 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you go upwards 1, 2 in order for you to reach the second vertex. Now in part B, you're going from A to C, so you choose any vertex. Let us choose this vertex, and we're going directly down. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going directly down using the y-axis. We're not going alongside the x-axis, therefore it's 0 minus 4 because you're going down. In part C, you're going from B to E, so you choose any vertex, and then you have to reach this one. So you move first along the x-axis 1, 2, 3, 4, and then so it's 4 or plus 4, and then you go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units, so it's minus 6. D, it's D to E, so D to E, you choose any vertex, and then you move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so it's 5 to the positive sense or plus, and then you go up 1 by 1, so it's 1 for the Y. And the last one is E. You're going from E to D, so you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's minus 5 because you're going to the left, and then you go one place down alongside the y-axis, it's minus 1. In order to answer the discussion, how can you use your answer in part D to help you find the answer in part E? Since we're going the opposite sense, in part D we're going from D to E. In part E we're going the opposite sense, so when you're going the opposite sense, it means you have to write the components as the opposite of each other. So 5 you write minus 5, and 1 you write minus 1, since you are going or you are using the opposite of the vector that you've already used in part D.